116th Street, New York City, welcomes students from all over the world to live the life they ever wanted. This student housing accommodation delivers you the ideal environment one could ever imagine. The property comes with a non-ensuite with a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. The non-ensuite has a private room with a very comfortable full-size bed, an air conditioner, a study desk, a closet to organize your essentials, a smart television, and a shared bathroom. There is also a shared kitchen and a living room, where you can enjoy your company and spend some great time with your roommates. Additionally, the City College of New York is just a few blocks away from the property. Columbia University and the Juilliard School are also just a short ride away from the residence. For all the Digos and Doras, the St. Nicholas Park and West Harlem Piers are just a short ride away from the property. For places to party and bond with your friends, the Vail Public House NOIC and Callie's are just a short walk away from the accommodation. So don't wait, just visit amberstudent.com now and book your paradise right away.